Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishnan. Basically, I'm working as a software delivery head and little bit CEO and vice president task also I can do. So basically, today in this we have already discussed part 16 of software company has done ban software Indian software company and Indian human resource group has done the ban of that poor guy, and we are discussing actually that, and this is a part 17 about the how basically this group has done the discussion. We have already discussed about few points. He went to Mumbai, UAE. He went to each and every place. Basically, he was basically a Malayali guy, and even he is a Malayali guy. Basically, nobody in Mumbai basically has helped him. He went to Pune. Nobody in Pune helped him. He went to Bangalore. Nobody in Bangalore anybody helped. Basically, he was a Malayali guy. So Malayali guy is supposed he's a Kerala Samaj basically was supposed to help him, but nobody helped him also. He went to UAE also two times basically. There basically there also no Malayali Samaj was there. They also not helped him. So basically, then basically he this basically point each and everything we have already discussed. Now basically the problem we basically was discussing about that was basically his religion. Basically his religion was basically Hindu. So now the problem is he is Hindu. That's why basically he is not getting job. So basically, one person told that I think I need your history. Basically, what actually from childhood? Can you please tell me about that guy's history? Yeah. So basically, he told that basically he was studying in Vidyagon school. In Vidyagon school, basically he was a first rank holder. First rank holder means he was having first rank basically each and every subject he was getting 100 of 50 after 50 he was getting A grade. Then basically everything in every sports also he was having first. Sports also he was having first rank basically. Up to that level basically he was. So basically he told that yeah, he was first rank in Vidyavan. Then basically he told that just listen the story basically exactly what the story where the story is getting reached and up to the what level this is going to reach now. So basically he told after fourth standard he basically suddenly he got the result of fail basically. Teacher told that you are failed Sunil. Failed means then he was basically shocked basically. How basically first rank holder person was getting a failed result? Then basically he was shocked basically. Shocked means even his friend circle also was basically shocked. Then basically again he got failed basically in second year also. Then basically his parent basically was not a rich family person. So basically they were not able to fight with that school management. Basically the school name was basically Vidyakul school. It's in Vadodara city. He was basically studying there. So basically entire Vidyakul school management become one to fail him. Just see basically what basically that small child has done with that school, that they basically all have become school teacher basically. You can't believe that teacher are also like that basically. Teacher also give problem to students basically. So they have created problems. So basically like that basically that the student basically got fail remark. Then basically that his parent was basically not so much rich, so much powerful. So basically where they were not able to do the inquiry about the thing basically that how basically my child basically got failed basically. Even his family were basically not aware. So basically they that was basically child boy basically. And he also don't know basically basically up to how to fight with the people, how he can fight with the with the Vidyagunj like big school basically, because their school management are so powerful basically. Up to president and prime minister of India, up to that level basically they are contacted with Ambani family also. How basically that small child can fight? So basically like this basically he went he has not done that child basically was not able to do the inquiry actually what happened in that school. That time basically he was shocked basically. That time basically he was totally shocked. He was not able to speak a word also. From that day, basically, he stopped speaking also, basically. He was not speaking to anyone. He was not speaking to any because he was first rank holder. After that fail, basically, not a single person of Vidyakon school, his friends basically have inquired about that why Sunil you got failed remark. That means in that school, basically, student basically his friends are also know this plan basically which school management has done. So basically, this might be also possible. Few people might be involved in the school management plan also. So this is also possible. So that was basically his childhood story basically. Then basically he left the Vidyagunj English medium school. First rank holder Vidyagunj school person left the Vidyagunj. Just see the story of that guy basically. So the guy's problem is not 1 or 2 days problem. This problem is from childhood basically. So basically he left Vidyagon school and he went to. So basically few people told that is the problem with English language because he was having first rank holder in English medium. So is this problem is connected with English language or what something? And English language is used in US UK. So US or UK is creating problem. That time basically nobody was supposed to give answer basically, and nobody inquired about this also basically. The cities of Gaikwad, Sayajira Gaikwad, this happened in this city basically, that is Sayajira Gaikwad city. So basically this Vidyapun school is in Sayajira Gaikwad, it's in Sayajira Gaikwad city, it's a Vadodara city. He is a king of this city basically. So this problem has occurred in this city basically. So basically then he went to some other English medium school also. Basically, there basically they nobody has entered him because it's a union of English medium school. There basically the union came into picture. Just see basically the union of English medium school also. That also you see. So how basically entire English medium school people have become one basically. Just see basically that time basically computer was also not exist. Mobile was also not exist. That time also the union was there of the principals, of the teachers, of I don't know where they were meeting also. That is basically the main things were inquired about basically. Where they were meeting. Meeting means how basically they were passing the messages that this person is now supposed to get the job because everything was paperwork. Each and every work was basically paperwork. So basically how basically uh, each and every thing was paperwork. So how basically uh, he got failed and how basically entire school union of English medium school have become one. So this topic basically we are going to stop here. In another topic that is basically part 18, we are going to discuss how basically software companies become one and become created a union, set of one group's union basically we can say, and not allowing that poor guy to enter into software company and they have banned that guy. In next topic basically we are going to discuss little bit more about this.